Hi, Clyde here. So, you finished making your video and you're ready to upload it to YouTube. But I'm sure you have that same nagging question we all do. How are people going to find our videos? This video is to show you just how to do that. First off, let's start with this quote from YouTube about optimization in order to get views. To estimate relevance, we look into many factors such as how well the title, description, tags, and content match your search query. This includes keywords on your thumbnail. So what does all this mean? Well, first of all, you have to have a good keyword. And by keyword, I mean keyword phrase. We need a phrase that describes what your video is about. Also, we need to have a keyword that people are looking for and will type in when they search for your video. I have found an excellent tool that you can use for free in order to find a great keyword phrase. And this tool is called TubeBuddy. Let me show you a little bit about TubeBuddy. Let's get started with TubeBuddy. I have a link and description, and you can download TubeBuddy there. And once you install TubeBuddy, it becomes part of YouTube. If you look up here at the top, this is a little TB. This is the TubeBuddy menu. Now you can get to Keyword Explorer, which is free when you download the program, by either clicking over here where it says Keyword Explorer or Launch Keyword Explorer now. Okay, so we've opened up Keyword Explorer and a possible keyword for this video. How do people find me on YouTube? Let's click Explore. And we have an excellent score of a 90. Now let me show you what all these graphs and everything means. This top is an overall score and takes into consideration everything below and gives you a total overall score. If we look at this first one, this shows search volume. How many people are looking for videos with these exact same keywords up here? Competition. This is how many people that make videos are using this keyword. And then optimization strength. What this means is if you use a good keyword like this one and put it in your video, put it in your title, description, and tags, a good chance of scoring high because other people are not doing this. So this is a good thing. It doesn't guarantee you're going to be number one or number two, but it will help you rate higher. But anyway, this score of 90, let's try to get a little higher. I did a little going back and forth and trying different keywords, so I use this one. How will people find my YouTube video? Click Explore, and the overall score hopped up to 100 out of 100. So that's how Keyword Explorer works. Remember, there's a link in the description to download TubeBuddy, and if you look to my left, I have a video in more detail on how to pick a good keyword for your new video. Happy editing!